oriented to the, as if it were a car polish show. True or ready. This is the garage, guys. How are you? Guys, straight to the point. Today we are going to do a decontamination of that glass here. There are many marks of acid rain, and we will use here two products to do this cleaning. Remove that right surface. This dirt, this contamination, and then we'll apply one protection and stays there. Video, I will show you. What can you be doing also on your car's windshield so he doesn't show off the reed marks? Because many times, depending on the product you are using, he will evidence instead of him improving. It will suddenly get worse because he will show the scratch marks that the reed has made over time. So stay in the video there until the end because we are going to make here a process. It's going to be quite useful, and that's it. Let's go to the video. Let's start using here the right focus. He's friendlier, so you're working with him. Because there are reports of people working. Come, oh PRISM. Sure that. Let the glass stain. Only it's not the product's fault. It's the time of action. That it was too suddenly. The time when it was taken stained. So every product, it has an action time. That you too must comply with these manufacturers' recommendations. So this one, it's like this, is one most professional use, right? We will also do with him. But we're going to start here now with focus. Because he is friendlier. You don't need to have this concern is to remove ollie at the time that thing vary. Let's say like this. So let's apply here in one part. Oh, every product when you will make its use is always you do it here. Or shake him a little. Standardize. Stay in your right pattern. So let's go. I have hero. Together with. It comes with tack winho. I come here not, guys. Has no mystery. Oh, it's no mystery. You apply a little amount here, why? Now, what's his detail? Oh, his detail. Is that it dries very fast? Understood. Oh, there's no mystery here, it's just affection and dedication. Oh, ready, you come here. You can give it a little pressure, depending on the degree of contamination that is in the piece. Sure. Ready. If it dries, you come in with a little water spray here. It could be hero, no applicator. It could be here too, directly. Oh, it already activates the product again here. For you to have more time to work with product. Oh, I'm doing it here. Movements here, oh. Oriented to the, as if it were a car polish show. True or ready. I can come here too. And activate it again. And that's it. Ready, okay, this video, it has one contamination. But he is not with such severe contamination. Sometimes, have cases you need to repeat the two process. And 3 times. And this is what I want to show you. Not part. It's from the windshield. What we can be doing too. Film up close here. Why show here, why? Here is still one little. Guys, I'm going to dry up here for you to see. This decontamination here that we've done with. Right, let's go. I'll dry it here to get better. I will take. Put it up close medius. Look guys, look here how it's going. Where did we do this decontamination? Oh, it's so clean. It's very decontaminated. Where? We don't work, let's work this part yet. Right? And look how it got here. The result was very good. We are now going to do increase decontamination scale. This one is the quietest. There are people who even with this product here still claims that that's stained. That I don't understand. Continues. We do it here daily here in aesthetics. You saw that the process is super smooth. Nothing to write but. Finally. Now we are going to apply the PRISM here. We are now going to do the right cleaning. As a PRISM, it is of professional use. Requires some more care. Is goggles, mask, and okay people, protects itself right. Because it is acidic pH. So he already has to take some more care. Excellent product, but have to be careful. So let's go. I'm going to use it here in this other part here. Before cleaning with it, I will remove the tape here. Show here Matthew why. Because then it will all come together. And for you to see the difference of one and the other right, I then apply the tape here again. No problem at all. But I like working with you guys here. Oh, with the truth. Sure, let me pass here, oh. You can see Matthew here, man. Show straight here to the staff, oh. Oh guys, where we did the cleaning, right? From, you see he already made a cool decontamination here. Very good. And here where it wasn't worked here, the area is showing straight. Ready? I will put the tape back here. Seventh, put the tape back here. And let's go. And let's see here what's going to happen. I will put the here. Like a magic pass. Like a magic pass. On site. Now we are going to do decontamination here. I will use here an insect remover. This little sponge here or this applicator. I come here, oh. A nice little amount here. And goes only in the morning. I'm not wearing the proper glasses, guys, because I'm recording this video mask here. Otherwise, it will get bad for it. And here is just a little bit. We protect ourselves here in the garage. But when I'm recording the video for the channel there, I do like this. But the recommendation is that you use. The protective material is good. So, the secret of the PRISM is you don't let it dry on piece. So, you always make these moves here. Or will you do? Work small areas, saw guys. Will make all the glass. Then you will have a lot of work to lubricate the piece here. So, you have a smaller area to go to work. Sure. Soon or. I don't know how there are people who say they stained, that the product is no good. People, I have been working with these products for so long. I never had BO. The product stained glass. Understood. Leave marks and have no way. Never passed. I never went through this. Thank God. Soon. I made this here. This cleaning. Now the same way. We're going to beat some water here. There is dirt that are sometimes so severe that they don't come out. It's the first time, and you have to repeat the process. It's also normal. It's not because I applied the PRISM here that he has an obligation to take 100% to. Sometimes there may still be some contamination. that you have to come and repeat. I've repeated the same place up to 3 times already. Resolved. 3 more times. Sure, ready. Oh, pulled well with water. People hear the product, oh. Will not risk stain or nothing. Shot straight with water. And I'm here with sprayer only here for show you. Ready, I'm going to dry up here with this one taking the excess here. Here. Soon dry here. Let's see here how it turned out. You can see Matias, right? There, guys. I'm seeing it right here. I want. My concern is that you can also have the same. Is with clarity here why. Ready. Oh, glass too. Decontaminated. Can you show Matthew? Look there. Oh, how did it get? I'm going to take the tape here again, Matthew. Up here. Or because where? Where we don't work, oh. Look, I'll take it all out now, right? We will no longer apply there. Let me just take this one out here. Showing there, oh. Oh, people. Decontaminated glass here now. Decontaminated glass here. And where was the tape? Look there. Oh, the contamination. Sure. Ready there, what is? I promised here a tip for you. I'm going to say this tip right now. But before that, I'm going to do here from the glass. I will now apply protection. Decontaminated glass, guys. Show there, Matthew. Oh, how did the glass get decontaminated, right? Oh. Let's now apply the S. 3 gives right range. He has. It will thus leave an ultra layer. Will leave the glass, gel crystalline. It's all good. Now look how we are going to use it here. Oh wait, sure. How is its application done here? I will show you here. We will use one applicator. Right angle. With the microfiber cloth. This one is the same taquinho you can. Is doing the car beatification. Sure, also serves to make glass here. And then how are we going to do it here? Why? We will apply. The first time. Oh, we will apply here the first time.
Aqui a primeira vez.
This protection. What are you going to do here? Look how beautiful it gets, oh. You will apply. This first time. Will leave. Act approximately 5 minutes. Sure. And go. Repeat the process. I will show here why. Ready, I applied here. I'll have to wait here for 5 minutes. For him, because he action is to stay. More accurate manufacturer asks you to do 2 product steps. Okay, guys. Ready here, okay. Let's leave here 5 minutes. You won't wait 5 minutes, I'll go, and we'll go there. Ready, I waited 5 minutes, you didn't expect anything. Now comes the thing here, why? Again on the same applicator, less right amount. Now I apply it again here, oh. Look that the first right step has been made. Now that the second stage. Made this one. Oh, and now. In this second stage, people, you don't have to wait any longer. You can already come here, finishing with microfiber towel. Okay, you've already been finishing here. And then you will have a glass, crystalline translucent, protected, and all good. Let me see if I see myself. Look, what a beautiful thing. Look at that cool thing, ready. So this here is the correct way you are applying. It's only 3 give range. Okay, guys. And let's go to the bonus tip, right? That I told you at the beginning of the video. Let's go there. Show Matthew how beautiful he turned out. Look there, is daddy. Look there, or I'll even see myself here. Why? It got a lot better this way without those marks. Acid rain, watermarks knee. Okay, let's go now for the bonus tip here, which is as follows. Before you were talking there in the comments. Let me explain something. The part here of I won't do, I'll just talk. I'll just tell you here. What can we be doing here? The reed, when she passes here, she will already do. She already does a right cleaning. And usually the marks are around. PRISM. He is not advisable. Sure, go where the reeds go, because it can show scratches. So instead of you, it's getting better, you'll make the situation worse, right? What do you do? Usually this dirt here, she is more severe. Makes use of the prism, right in this part, around the reed, and finish inside. It's only in the part because of you. Can apply on the right part here of the reeds. So, you apply prism, it is stronger. He will do a cleaning. It's easier. Let's say so, right? And you apply focus here on the inside. After you, comes and takes. With plenty of water in excess. I have to have both products now. You can do cleaning out here with it too. Right too. Only that heaviest cleaning. Sometimes you have to be doing to here 3 times the process. The prism, it already has greater cleaning power, only that. So don't waste time if you have both. Apply this one here. Sure, where the pick passes and the prism you apply outside. But this here, it's just a tip, you don't have to do like this. Really, if you only have the prism, I do not recommend stopping by where reeds pass. Just pass outside. Focus, can you apply to all beauty? Can give, sometimes. I once had glass here, which I had to repeat 3 times. So, do it outside with prism, and that's it. It's nothing too much, but it's a little tip you can be making, understand? So, you don't give up. Making your glass here pretty cool. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, and even the next video was worth it.